What up, YouTube? It's your girl Cooking with Tam Bams. Happy holidays. I'm back with another video for Candied Yams. Just stay tuned and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, today's recipe is going to be on some candied yams. Y'all know it's Thanksgiving, we got to get it in. But anyways, I got 4 yams, sweet potatoes. We're going to do a stick and a half of butter, unsalted. And speaking of, I don't have my salt up here, but salt, we need salt. Cake butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla extract, a half a cup of white sugar, a cup of brown sugar, an orange, and y'all, I know it always seems like I don't got a teaspoon. I really do. It was available today. And I'm using this to squeeze. I know it's a lemon squeezer, but I'm going to use it to squeeze my orange. You need a pot with a lid. Let's get cooking. All right, so before I get started on chopping these up, I want to point out something that I didn't do because I was rushing. You see where there's a lighter part of the yam? You want to make sure when you peeling it that you peel off that lighter layer. Oh my God, I can't speak. You want to get down to the darker part because that's going to leave, like, you know, in the sweet potatoes, it's kind of like the string part. That's the part you don't want. And when I was cooking mine down, I noticed that it was peeling back because I didn't take it off. So please be sure to do that because I was trying to rush through this and I did not. So my technique when cutting them is that I split the yam in half and then I use a half. Each half, I cut them about 1 inch. Alright, so after I cut them, I cleaned them, rinsed them off with some water, get them nice and clean, and then we're going to start on our mixture. I thought it was the fire. So after you get your butter pretty much melted down, you're going to add in the cinnamon and get that mixed into the butter. Now you're going to add in the half a cup of white sugar and mix that in. You're going to add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. You're going to add in 1 teaspoon of the cake butter and then mix it in. Now you're going to add in 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Next, you're gonna add in your 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Next, you're gonna squeeze in the juice of your orange, the full orange, and you can use orange juice if you have it. Now that our sauce is together, you're gonna add in your yams. Give me a little room to pour these in there. Once you get your yams in the pot, make sure that you coat them with the mixture, so you're gonna stir them up really good. Alright, once your yams are covered with the sauce, you're going to partially place your top on your pot. Alright, so this is 39 minutes in. They're already tender, but I'm going to let them cook down just a little bit more. As you can see, the sauce is thickening up. I'm going to let it run through a full hour. And as you can see, like, I only use 4 yams, but you can add more because there's more than enough sauce. But I'm not cooking a full Thanksgiving dinner, so. But we're going to cover it for a little bit longer and come back. Y'all, listen. My house smells so good. It felt so warm and like Christmassy, if that's a word I just made up on the spot. But it give you the real holiday smell in your house. Soul food cooking. Listen. But these are my candied yams. I hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like this, share this. Tell me what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Till next time.